In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Homebase discount promo codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you'll have to search for Homebase discount promo code. Right here, go to this website which is called Coupon Follow, and as you can see, we have a list with some promo codes that we can use in order to get some discounts. So if you want to get this one with a 10% discount right here, you can simply select the button where it says show coupon code, and this is the promo code. You can tap right here to copy this one, and you can apply it on your next order so that you can get a 10% discount. Also, going back to the main search, you have this website which is called Hot UK Deals, and as you can see right here, we have a list with other promo codes that you can use to get some benefits. So for example, let's say that you want to get this one with a 10% discount of your first order. All you need to do right here is just select this button where it says see deal. And for this one, there is no code required. So you can tap right here where it says go to shop. And after that, you will be redirected to the website and the discount will be applied automatically. So this is pretty much all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.